Okay, so we're live, and these are the solutions for metric conversions. I'm going to do 2 videos on this, 1 through 5 and then 6 through 10. So how many meters are there in 20 kilometers? We have to write what our givens are, 20 kilometers. And I'm looking for meters is what you want to convert to. So you use a conversion factor that will cancel kilometers and turn them into meters. And you know that 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Kilometers cancel, and you're left with meters. You multiply 1,000 times 20, and you get 20,000 meters. Number 2, convert 8 milligrams, 8 milligrams to grams. You want to be left with grams. You find a conversion factor that satisfies the end result. And you could write up here 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. Milligrams will cancel, and you divide 8 by 1,000, and you get 0.008 grams. Next one. How many grams is 89 milligrams, or micrograms? So 89 micrograms is that symbol, and you're changing that to grams. Want to be left with grams. You find a conversion factor that will change micrograms to grams. Micrograms is grams to grams. And the conversion factor, micro, stands for 1/1,000,000th. So it's 1/1,000,000th of a gram. That means that there are 1,000,000 micrograms to 1 gram. That's 1,000,000 micrograms equal 1 gram. Your micrograms will cancel out, and you divide 89 by 1,000,000, and you get 89 preceded by 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 89. That's how many grams. How many megagrams are there in 5, 5, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 4 bytes? Bytes is a quantity of information in computers. You might have heard that before. And we're looking for megabytes. So we're looking to change bytes into megabytes. And this is something that you might have seen as well. A big M stands for megabytes, MB. And the conversion factor then is 1 megabyte, mega meaning a million, well, that's a B there, and a million bytes is 1 megabyte, so 1,000,000 bytes is equal to 1 megabyte. So the bytes, as you can see, cancel out. You're left with megabytes. You make the division. That's like dividing 565 million by a million. You simply move the decimal point over to the left 6 places. So your end result would be 5 65 megabytes. And the last one I'll do is converting 63 gigawatts to kilowatts. So the easiest way to do this is to change gigawatts to watts first, and then change watts to kilowatts. So 63 gigawatts, a gig, or giga means 1 billion. So that's 1 followed by 9 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's watt. And that equals 1 gigawatt. Your gigawatts will cancel. You're left with watts. However, you're asked to change it to kilowatts. So you can make another conversion factor here. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1,000 watts. You make this multiplication, you divide by 1,000, and your answer will be 63 followed by 9 zeros, or 6 zeros. And another way to write this is to express it in scientific notation, which is 6.3 times 10 to the 7th. I get 7th because I have to move the decimal point over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. Kilowatts. Okay, that concludes this half. What I will do is I'll make another video, and I will put 6 through 10 on that. Thanks for listening.